Afterpay does not let you directly transfer or withdraw your available Afterpay funds to Cash App or any other external account. Afterpay is strictly a buy now pay later service. The money is a credit line you can only spend at Afterpay partnered merchants, online or in-store. There is no official way to move Afterpay balance to Cash App alternatives to get cash. Instead, use Afterpay to buy gift cards. Shop at merchants that accept Afterpay and sell digital Visa or MasterCard gift cards, for example Amazon, Best Buy, Walmart, Target online stores, if they support Afterpay. Buy a gift card, redeem and use it elsewhere, or sell it, risky and often against terms. Buy resellable items. Purchase high-demand items with Afterpay. Resell them on eBay, Facebook Marketplace, or locally for cash. Deposit cash into Cash App. High risk, fees, shipping, returns, potential loss. Use Cash App, borrow, or other credit. If you need cash urgently, apply for Cash App Borrow, if eligible, or use a different BNPL or credit product that allows cash advances. Afterpay does not.